Today we're gonna be making some. What are we making? What is this?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Can I have one?
Sure, you can have one. We're gonna make some fresh tomatoes. All you need is tomatoes, plum tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, olive oil, pecorino romano, and basil.
Can I have that from me?
Sure, you can have it. Just boil them for 10 minutes.
Wait, hold
And
on.
then we're gonna boil some
What
pasta
about some peppers?
and peppers. Well, today we're only doing tomatoes. We're gonna boil it for 10 minutes
No,
and then come back and see how it looks.
Some
All done. What's this?
tomatoes.
No, what's this? 10 minutes is up. Tomatoes are looking good. Now we're gonna do 7 minutes for the pasta. The pasta? We're gonna add 7 minutes for the pasta. So 10 minutes for the tomatoes first, and then 7 minutes for the pasta. 7 minutes is up, so we're gonna
Now we're gonna do the cheese.
and then we're gonna do the cheese, yes.
You wanna take a bite?
Take a bite.
Yeah. Please. Thank you.
We're gonna add some salt. Okay. Olive oil. Cheese. I'm gonna break up the tomatoes. See how the tomatoes are? Just gonna squeeze them. Alright, now I'm gonna plate it. And there you have it. What are we missing? We're missing basil.
There you go.
The only thing we couldn't get was basil.